Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily change your relationship status on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be on Facebook, and when you're going to be here, go to the right top corner to the profile and see your profile. When you're going to be here, click on the three dots next to add to story, edit profile, scroll down below and edit your about info. Scroll down below, and then you're going to see the relationship. Click edit, and you can simply change it from single to whatever you want. Widow, divorced, it's complicated, and then you can change also like the relationship, the privacy of it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.